Yes.
Shall I record this? No problem.
Yeah, you can. No problems.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. So,
Yes, please.
um,
Yeah.
first the question is, actually, I designed this reflect array.
Okay.
It's based on I used MATLAB code that you provided me last time,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
I managed to build this kind of idea.
Right.
So the first question is how about the question is about the feeding system.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay.
there is as I know, there is 3 type of feeding
Correct.
method. For
Yeah.
example, the first one we can feed with using on antenna, right? And the second method is we can feed using plane wave, right?
Correct.
And the
Yeah.
third method is uh, using Gaussian wave.
Ocean wave, and also, for example, if you are constructing very big array, then what you can do is you can also use this, for example, far field source. For example, you can export the far field pattern of the horn, and then you can import here and then fix it in some point, right? That also works. Okay, for example, you no need to have a horn there, so you can just have the far field pattern of the horn. That also possible. Okay, that also you can try.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, so I was discussing with one of my friend yesterday.
Okay. Okay.
The big problem is we are facing is like when, for example, this is I'm
Okay.
simulating this array, but
Okay.
I'm using the extension port is oh uh I'm using the plane wave.
Okay.
It means
Okay.
that
Okay.
this
Yeah.
the problem with extension is exciting the array from the ground, right?
Correct. But it should not be like that, because ground, it will all reflected, right? So it should be in this side.
So
Yeah.
I think the method is not good.
Okay.
Is it good or is not good?
No, no,
Because
no,
I
no.
just want to.
1 minute. Can you give me the means?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So backside a complete ground, right? If you exit here,
Yes.
then it will not be, just a reflection. That's all. 180-degree phase shift. You will get it. So you have to change the plane basically. Uh, you have to bring this side.
Okay.
Can you double click on the
Yeah.
plane bay?
Okay. Supposed to. Maybe I need to stop it because it's running.
Yeah. Please stop it.
Okay.
No, it has to stop.
It's taking time. I hope it's going to stop. Today I have particular questions.
Maybe any other model is there? Similar model where you are facing that horn antenna. First, we will clarify that horn antenna offset, right? Yeah. Can you show me
uh
that model? Meanwhile, we'll sort out
I
that.
this one?
Yeah. Offset you are telling, right? So
Yes.
wavegate port. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, you can remove the array first. Okay, you can save us this file and then you can remove the array. We'll first fix the horn antenna offset. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually the file I can create it again.
Okay.
No problem.
Delete this, and then we'll just fix the horn antenna now. And then, yeah. Okay. So you are offsetted, right? So can
Yes.
you assign the port now?
Assign the port.
Yeah. Wavegate port.
Okay. I think this is the problem.
Okay. Okay. What you do is you delete that.
Okay.
Delete that. Oh, even UV also doesn't work, right? So, okay,
Yes.
what you can do is you can just 1 minute. Let me. Okay, this is so. Okay, what is the value now? On the right. So y-axis, it is in the. What is the size of this horn, basically?
This one.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me
Oh,
check. Let
oh,
me check.
sorry.
Sorry. Let me check that. Okay, what's the value now? 20. So which band is it?
I think this one I just imported. Let me check. I don't know.
Okay,
Just
20
to
cross
check
10.
the
Okay.
frequency.
20 cross 10. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, 1 minute actually.
Yeah.
Mm, you already have a WCS?
Yes.
Can you put that WCS now?
Okay. It's not coming out. I think something's
Um,
wrong.
maybe align WCS. Can you give WCS? Align WCS? Okay,
This one?
great. Yes, yes, great. So, how it is going?
Yes.
Okay, it is going in this way. Okay. Then you have to rotate. So, which angle it is? So, how much angle you have tilted on? You have to rotate. Transform WCS, right? These are
Yes.
transform WCS. You have to rotate to, for example, rotate option is there, right? For example,
90
in
degree.
W you have to rotate. Basically, W you have to rotate to some which whatever angle you have done. You have to align this axis first. Okay.
Yes.
What angle you means the W is offset means in terms of
I think
angle.
I think it was not I think 90 degrees, something like that. The
No,
angle
no,
I
no.
rotated.
No, it should be aligning with the horn basically.
Yes.
I think. Okay. So if you look at here, think, I think you have to rotate this one. There is the horn. Oh, sorry. Okay, you can put 0 here. Okay. Now we have to see. Okay, yeah, you have to rotate. I think this one. Can you rotate this? This one? Yeah. Or you know. You have to align that axis first.
Rotate. I should apply here.
Yeah. Okay, not move actually. Basically rotate. Yeah.
To 90
No,
degree.
not W, not W. Basically, what I have to do is, 1 minute, just hold on, please.
Okay.
Okay, rotate now. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Is it 25 degree now? No, okay, first we have to actually, what you have to do is you have to align this one, and then if you assign the port, then it will work basically.
Okay. So I should align, right?
Yeah. Align this port and to exactly this axis basically. So V is in this direction, right? U should be in this direction. So you have to rotate that as well. So that will
Okay.
be great.
So I should align first. Oh, is it correct? This one?
No,
No.
no, no. Align obliques. Yeah. This face,
This
this
one.
face. No. Align 1 minute. Align WCS. Align WCS. This one. Can you align
Okay.
this one?
Rotate.
No. Cancel this. Align WCS. Let us see. Yes. I think it has come. It automatically come.
Yes.
So we have to align this axis. So mhm, we have to rotate this axis to this. And one more thing. Can you click on that side one so that we can
Okay.
see what other options are available? Nothing is coming, right?
Yeah.
I think we have to align this plane first. How to align this? So how many degree it is rotated from the axis? Do you know that?
No.
Okay. Uh, is it okay now?
Yes.
Okay. Then okay now, correct? Okay.
Yes. It's
And
correct.
this one W also we have to point it towards this horn, not this one. So how can I rotate this? V I have to rotate to 180. Okay. U I have to rotate to 180. Oh, okay, okay. This one I think I have to rotate this to 90. Okay, okay. This one W along W. Okay, great. That's it now. Okay, now can you assign the port now? Let's see.
Okay.
What happened?
It's not still coming.
Oh, okay. This is the why, we are getting this error. Basically, if
Yes.
we fix this one, then it will work. No problem. Okay. You fix this one. You try to fix this one. Okay. Maybe
Okay.
in the morning, tomorrow morning, we'll again meet and then we'll fix it. Okay. Try to
Okay.
fix this one. It should work actually, basically. So what you have to do is, you bring the horn to the normal axis. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Then you put this one. Then means assign the port. Then bring back to. You might have done some rotation, right? You can cancel those rotations. That's it.
Yes.
You
Thank
can
you so much, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, you can rotate. You have done all rotation, right? That rotation you have to
Yes.
just remove everything, bring to normal position. Then you assign the port. Then you move both port as well as this one in this way fashion. Okay, so that you will get this port done. Okay, that is one thing.
Yes.
Oh, that is still running.
Yes, that one is still running. I don't know. By the
Okay,
way, I would like to just to go straight to some questions.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
First of all, I have some problem how I've followed one of the video you work with one student
yeah,
about plotting the S curve.
yeah, yeah,
Um,
yeah,
uh, following some details,
yeah,
plotting the S curve.
yeah.
If I remember again,
Okay.
for example, I go to post processing, right? And
Yeah,
then
yeah, correct,
I
correct.
chose
0D, 1D results. Yes, yes, yes.
yes 0D1D result
Yeah,
like this, and then I
correct.
go to
Y at
Y
given X.
at
Yes.
given X,
Yeah.
and then
X is
I can
frequency.
choose oh something
For example, some parameter. Yeah, yeah. You know that
yes
that one only. That only because when you simulate, you will get that parameters now.
yes,
Okay, you
for
can just
example
for
this one,
now.
then I
Yeah,
can choose the
magnitude.
phase. Is
Yes,
it right?
exactly. Yeah, correct,
Okay.
exactly. Oh, no, no,
um
wait.
oh
Can you go back to that?
okay.
One more you have to follow. Uh, yeah. Y at given X. Can you give Y at given X? And the evaluate act X is the red. They're just below that Y at given X. Can you go to Y at
Okay.
here? Can you see here?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the frequency at which you want to evaluate. So
Okay.
yeah, because you see why we are calling it as Y at given X means so Y is what is the reflection phase. Okay,
Yes.
and given X is for the frequency of, for example, X frequency. I am plotting reflection phase for a given whatever iteration I am doing. For example, it can be dimension, it can be angle or anything. For the iteration,
Okay.
I'm just recording. It's a 0D plot. 0D plot means
Yes.
it's just, only Y I am capturing. That Y is what? There is a reflection phase at given X. For a particular frequency, I'm just, capturing the Y alone. Okay. And then I'm plotting for the iteration. That's all. That is the meaning.
Okay. Okay. So I supposed to plot here,
Yeah.
to give a frequency here. I'm
Yes,
evaluating
yes.
from here.
Exactly. 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 Yes.
Oh, that's details I really forgot. I didn't really follow it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
that's very good.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
and then another question is about,
Yeah.
I also follow one of students, you work with them, just plotting
Yeah.
the S curve. It's about
Yeah.
the phase is it phase compensation? Do we need to compensate the phase? For
No,
example,
no, 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 no,
what I'm
no.
s-
Phase
what I'm saying
compensation
is
is, yeah.
what I'm saying, for example, I'm going to open one file.
Okay.
Uh yes,
Correct.
for example, this is the length, that's the length,
Yeah. Yeah.
and this is the phase,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So if I make a simple plot like this,
Yeah.
I have something like this. It's like a scope.
Yes. Exactly. Yes.
So I've seen one of video that uh you told someone to, I don't know, is it a compensation? For example, for this one,
Yeah.
we we had minus 180,
Yeah.
or is it minus 180, or is plus 180 to get the smooth curve?
It can be, see, it can be anything, right? Plus 180 or minus 85, whatever it may be. But we have to unwrap the face. That's what I might have discussed.
Yes, that's what I
Unwrap
want.
the
I
face.
want to unwrap the face.
Yes. Yes. So this one, can you plot this one? Yeah.
This one,
Yeah.
this
I'll
and
tell
this,
you.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. Both. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It is coming something like this, right?
Yes.
So now we have to unwrap the face. Okay, what you can do is, like, you can subtract with the 180 degree, minus 180 degree. Okay, so it is kind of, see, sine wave is, can you open a paint for me?
The paint. Okay.
Yeah, the actually, yeah, okay. So sine wave, no? Okay, the
Yes.
sine wave, how it will look like? It will be looking like this, right?
Yes.
Sorry, sorry. I don't know why it is going like this. Can you delete that one?
Okay. Why is
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. No problem, no problem, no problem. Leave it, leave it. No problem.
okay?
A sine wave will be something like this, right? Correct? Okay.
Yes.
This corresponds to 0 degree. This corresponds to 90 degree. This corresponds to 180 degree. This corresponds to 70, 270, 360. If you plot
Yes.
this in polar plot, right, you will
Yes.
get a circle. Correct?
Exactly.
Yeah, you will get a circle. Okay. If you unwrap this, okay, if you unwrap this, what you have to do? You have to, for example, see, this minus one after, see, this is 180. Then if you want to extend that into, in terms of, it is kind of, kind of S curve. S curve is actually basically a sine wave only. So what we are doing is, like, for example, if you are getting like this, okay, so these
Yes.
values, I am going to subtract with the minus 180 so that it will follow this path. That's it.
Okay.
Just to
Okay.
have, for example, this is unwrapping the face. That's all. Okay. So wrapping
Okay.
means, see, I am wrapping between plus 180 to minus 180. That's it. Wrapping
Okay.
between. So whatever value below this one, it will be subtractor, and then it will follow this curve. Okay, whatever going beyond this plus 180, if I subtract that, then it will follow this one. It is kind of wrapping. It will follow this sine kind of way. If I unwrap this face, then it will be like this. Like,
Okay.
that's the only thing.
Oh, that's correct. Yeah, I really got it.
Yeah,
That
okay.
because I've seen in most of many papers, people they
Yeah,
plot they
like
plot
this only.
on rapid phase. Yeah.
Correct.
So I was trying to to follow some video, one of your video, to
Yeah.
play as a same as, but it was very difficult. But anyway, I understand now.
Oh, great, great.
Thank you. And
Yeah. So
maybe
thank you. And then, you can try that one, by aligning the face and all. So let's see, if it is working, then evening, means for morning your time, we'll connect again, then we'll verify
okay.
that results. Okay, no
All
problem.
right. All right.
All right.
That's
Okay.
that's very good. So I have the last question, maybe because I'm
Yeah,
taking
yeah,
your time.
no problem.
So the last question is about um I tried to do some work.
Okay,
Try to do some work.
okay,
Um Actually I wrote a code that
okay,
is actually create automatically macro file from the MATLAB
okay, okay,
and
okay,
do all the calculation. For
okay,
example, uh this is a code that I am actually using to calculate my phase
okay,
distribution.
okay,
For example, this is the frequency, the design frequency, and this is the
okay,
lambda, and this
okay,
is units like the array size, and this is
okay,
unit cell size,
okay,
blah blah blah. And
okay.
this is the phase distribution that we usually
Yes, 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 yes.
that's the
Correct,
common formula for the
correct,
phase
correct,
distribution.
correct.
But my problem I've actually, for example, let me let me show you some problem I'm getting.
Yeah.
For example, if I run it, for example, if I want to design something like for 28 gigahertz, for example,
Okay,
and then I just to change, this is unit cell size and this is array. I need something
okay,
8 by 8, blah
okay,
blah blah. You need cell and my theta and my phi is like 0. I just keep it
okay,
0 as
okay,
usually. So when I run the code,
okay,
it is actually giving me the phase distribution I really I really want.
okay,
Um, but the problem is actually is this phase distribution. Um, I'm really matching the phase required.
correct,
For
correct.
example, here I'm subtracting, I'm multiplying by 360, but you
Okay,
see this phase distribution is still down. But if I change this one, for example, to 180, this is to get the angle. Um, you see, even I'm still changing the phase, um, I'm still getting the same plot.
okay, okay. Somewhere you are
Uh,
getting wrapped. It is getting wrapped. Okay, that is one point. The second point is, if you buy DC, the second point is like, you have to, so what is the length of the thing you are getting? What is the length? You are wrapping the face, actually, in the code. Okay, somewhere you are wrapping the face. That's why you are getting that. Okay.
okay.
Somewhere you might have a modeler, or somewhere you might have used modeler one and also something. That's why you are getting the face, same thing. Okay. So second
Yes.
point is yeah, modulation, modular thing, or okay. So second
So
point is
if
like, yeah, what is the length you are considering, like, from the feed point to that?
the length is like for the array,
No, no, no. I'm asking about from the focal point to the unit cell distance. So what is the distance you are getting?
actually I I did it manually using this code,
Okay, what is
like
the
to get the
exact
feed.
distance
I
in
was
terms
like
of one lambda? See,
15.
the thing is 1 lambda means you will get 360 degree. 2 lambda means You will get that. That means 2 lambda means 720 degree. That's all. So what you can do is you can check the code if you have done any modulation, modular wrapping the face. Okay, somewhere. Okay, that you can check,
Okay.
and then maybe tomorrow morning we can again revisit this one, and also you have to see the what is the distance between the focal point and the unit cell
I think
dimension. Okay,
I think the
yeah,
distance is like 15
15.
15 millimeters, I think.
No, no, no. You tell me in terms of lambda.
Oh, the distance is, I think, should be uh
If it is 1 lambda, you will get, see, now we are getting
I think should
almost
be 1 lambda.
180 degree. 180 degree. Okay, almost 180 degree we are getting. Okay, because minus 80 to plus 80, right? So 180
Yes.
degree we are getting. But the thing is, it is wrapping within the 90 plus 90 to minus 90. That is why you are getting that phase. So you have to
Okay.
unwrap that phase. Then only you will get that. Okay. Second point. The second point is like, you have to consider the focal distance to unit cell distance should be um, appropriate, then you will get that phase. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can try this, and then maybe tomorrow morning your time, then we'll kind of connect again, and then we'll
Okay.
discuss about this. Both issues we will start it out. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So the problem is, like, for example, what I did, this is the phase, all the phase distribution.
correct. It is wrapping within the plus 90 to minus 90. That's it. Within 90, actually, basically 90. That's why you are getting that.
Okay.
Yeah, it is wrapping within the 90. You can see it is not crossing 90 at all. When
Yeah.
it costs 90, it will subtract 90. Again 90, 90 like that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why you are getting that.
And this is the second code that I brought, and this code is taking the phase. This is the input, the unit cell,
Okay,
the
okay.
phase. This is CSV file. Is calling
Oh,
the
okay, okay,
yeah.
okay,
This is
okay, okay.
calling the phase and the phase uh
Okay, okay,
and the dimension of unit cell. And
okay,
then
okay,
I use this array functions just to
okay, okay,
interpolate, just interpolate. But after
okay,
after the interpolation, for example, this is the phase I just got from the MATLAB here,
okay, okay.
and this is the
The
data
phase
from
you are getting
CST.
from unit cell, then you are interpolating it, right?
Yes,
Correct?
from CST,
Okay, okay,
interpolating.
okay,
And then, and this one, I'm just asking MATLAB to make another file.
okay,
The file will be having all the information that CST will read. And then this
okay,
file,
okay,
yes, the MATLAB is just wrote this file down. And then, um, yeah, uh, and then from this file, so I can call CST
okay,
to do the array like this.
okay, okay. Great, great, great.
So
Okay.
yeah, but the problem is, actually, the problem I'm facing is um what is going beside what is really troubling me is I don't know, is it about the phase unwrapping or what? Because the unit cell is supposed to have different size,
Yeah, yeah.
but for
So no, no, no.
real,
See, the thing is, you are having, you can check the dimension. Maybe slight variation might be there, but you are not getting
actually
the phase, in detail, right?
for example, the dimension is not really
Changing.
like this one. It
Okay.
has not the same size as this one, but the size, it's you see, it's
Yeah,
really
yeah, yeah.
small.
Minor variation. See, I was telling, right? So you are not having phase differences very much less, right? That's why you are getting
Yes,
that. If you feed, manually, you can feed some phases, it will automatically changed. It is changing, right? See,
yes, it's changing.
yeah,
For example, this one, it's really changing.
yeah,
It has different size, but
yeah.
it's really small. It's not really meaningful.
No, no, no. It should be small only, right? So you are not getting the phase differences much. See, it is 78, 79, 80, like that only, right? Phase difference
Okay.
is not much, not much. That's why you are getting this. So if you have a phase difference is much, then you will get a significant difference, basically.
Okay. Okay. Got
Got the
it.
point? Yeah. Okay.
So the problem is from the MATLAB code, right?
Yeah. That, you know, the wrapping, you have to sort it out, that then it will automatically get sorted. Okay.
All
So,
right.
okay. So I have to go somewhere. Okay.
Thank you
So
so
no
much. Thank you
problem.
so much
Okay.
for
No
your
problem.
time, and
Yeah. No problem.
I really
Tomorrow.
appreciate it. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
No.
Thank you.
Yeah. No problem.
Thank
Okay.
you. So
So
see you
thank you so much.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Bonjour, Claude. Allô? Allô?
Je t'entends pas.
On va écouter. Shalom, les Claude.
Alors,
En tout cas, je suis très content que Dieu soit loué. La route était très longue. La route était très longue. Je suis très content en tout cas. Enfin, on respire.
parce que la semaine passée,
Oui.
je t'avais envoyé le message.
Oui.
La semaine passée, on a fait l'examen. J'avais reçu un email de IRCC
Oui.
demandant à ce que je puisse faire les upfront exams.
OK.
Donc, on les a déjà fait. Donc, on a déjà fait. Je crois qu'on va avoir des résultats, je pense, si ce n'est pas cette semaine, la semaine prochaine. Donc, voilà.
Ah bon, mais le upfront, bon, le résultat là, c'est toujours 2 jours, non? C'est bizarre.
Je vais demander parce que c'est pas. Je vais encore les appeler. Parce qu'ils ont dit qu'ils vont directement